Hey, it's your friend Kurt here, and I'd like to read a little bit to you about a bird.
The common crow hardly requires an introduction because it is a universally known species that concentrates about cities, agricultural areas, and lowlands along rivers. It gives the distinct and well-known caw-caw-caw call. Crows usually nest in deciduous trees along streams, but wander in the fall and winter in loose flocks. During this time, they congregate at night in roosts with much noise and commotion. The same roost sites are used night after night and serve many square miles. Crows feed on a variety of foods, including insects, nuts, fruits, carrion, and more.